Hey, what's up guys? So in this video we will see how to hide apps in calculator on any Vivo phone. Now to do that, just open the Play Store app on your smartphone and search calculator to hide apps. Now just download this app on your smartphone. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once the app is fully downloaded, tap on open. From here, tap on agree and continue and select grant. Now just enable the toggle from here and tap on got it. Now just enter a 4-digit PIN. Just like that. Now enter the equal to button to confirm your PIN. Now just enter your PIN one more time to confirm your PIN. Now just tap on the equal to button. Now tap on create a familiar gesture. Now just draw a gesture from here. Now just draw your gesture one more time to confirm your gesture. Now from here, just tap on hide apps. Now just select the apps which you want to hide. Just like that. Now once you have done that, just tap on next. Now just tap on enter. Now from here just select calculator. Now from here just tap on OK. Now from here, as you can see, you cannot find the apps which you have hidden in your app drawer, neither on your home screen. Now to view the apps which you have hidden, just tap on the calculator app. Now just enter the PIN which you have set and tap on equal to. Now from here, as you can see, these are the apps which we have hidden. Just like that. Now if you want to unhide the apps which we have hidden, just tap on restore. Now just tap on restore one more time. From here, just select system home screen. Now from here, as you can see, you can find the apps which we have hidden in your calculator app. And this is how you can hide apps in calculator on any Vivo phone. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.